Intelligent four-side molder production line. Due to the rapidly declining birth rate and aging population, the market faces a looming labor shortage. Traditional wood plane production methods require excess labor and time, and they still revolve around having a single machine carry out all tasks, such as processing, handling, material selection, as well as feeding, receiving, and stacking plates. Through the integration of this production line and the loading, feeding, and stacking peripheral systems, the labor expenditures and industrial accident frequency would be greatly reduced. Additionally, introducing intelligent elements and the remote monitoring of the production equipment leads to an optimized production experience for users. In constructing the Leadermac Machinery Company Intelligence System, DreamSet system, they combined the current machine data acquired from the Open IoT Cloud for data analysis and provided the device connection setting, completion measurement, motor current monitoring software, application tool establishment, tool database, equipment utilization analysis, equipment emergency alarm as the main services. Moreover, by establishing and analyzing big data, customers can clearly make the optimal choice of tools for their desired product and decrease the cost simultaneously. The 723U Power 4-side molder, paired with self-developed software and a touchscreen controller, Powerset, can adapt and shift according to the shape of the tools. Leadermac Machinery Company is the world's second-largest manufacturer of four-side molders. Their products are sold to 65 countries all over the world, mainly concentrated in Europe, North America, and Asia. The main products are four-sided wood planers, sharpeners, automatic feeding and receiving machines, and whole-line projects.